Did you know the action button on your Echo Dot Kids, the newest 5th gen, can do a lot more than just wake up Alexa? Now, most people only use it for setup and resets, but it can do a lot more. So let's check out all the things the action button can do. First, bypassing the wake word. Now, if you're not in the mood of talking or have other Alexa devices nearby, you can just press the action button instead of saying Alexa, and from there, just start speaking your command right away. Number 2, stop Alexa midway. Now, if Alexa is blabbering and you just want her to stop immediately, you can press the action button to cancel the response without waiting for her to finish. Number 3, snooze the alarm. Do you get an alarm or timer going off? Instead of using the voice command, simply press the action button once to silence it. Let's talk about setup mode now. So if you need to take it into setup mode to change Wi-Fi network, just press on the action button until it shows the yellow LED and says now in setup mode.
Now in setup mode.
Same as exit from setup mode. If you're stuck in setup mode, you can also press and hold down the action button for 5 to 7 seconds to exit the mode if it was entered accidentally.
Setup mode is off.
Now let's talk about the most common and universal action, factory reset. If you need to factory reset this device, just press and hold the action button for 20 seconds until the reset process begins with a voice prompt.
Resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done. Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
It's kind of useful if you're troubleshooting problems or preparing the device for a new owner. Now there is one more feature many people don't know about. If someone calls your Echo device through Alexa calling or users drop in, you can answer the call by pressing the action button, and when you're done, press it again to end the call. And lastly, if there is an announcement from any Echo device around your house and you're not in the mood of listening to the whole thing, just press on the action button once to silence it.
Dinner is ready. As soon as possible, come to the dining.
So these are all the things the action button can do. So which feature did you already know about and which one was new to you? Let us know.